learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, everybody, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsu right here with Alice, and it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. 好漂亮是我们这个月的主题。
东江，
东江，每天看到 Alice， 我也都会说东江。
暗自say，
跟男生说也可以这样子说吗？好漂亮啊！
say 来就好，很英俊。
难怪 Alice 都不跟我说东江。All right, it's all about so beautiful, and there are so many situations that can be beautiful. Maybe a person is beautiful, maybe a place is beautiful, or maybe your house is so beautiful. 我们去参观一个人的新家的时候，我会说哇，
你们家好漂亮哦
！Your house is so beautiful.
nhà不卡，
nhà不卡，
东江，
东江，
nhà不卡东江。
哦，nhà是你的，然后不卡是
你们家啦，
家了哈，不卡是 house, your home. All right, your home is so beautiful. 那这有时候是因为装潢很厉害嘛，对不对？花大钱去装个潢，其实有时候花个小钱整理一下也会变很漂亮的，就像人要衣装一样的意思嘛。房子要装潢，对。All right, I just got some new interior. That's why 新装潢的啦，
新装潢嘅啦，
新装潢嘅啦，
就是重新装潢的意思咯，新装潢的啦，
装潢总缝。OK， 其实还蛮像的哈。好，那应该花很多钱，可能是很多人会接下来问的一句话，对不对？You must spend a lot of money on this if it's so beautiful. 应该花很多钱吧？
應
該
花懂多錢哈，
花懂多錢哈。OK， 應該就是
應該
，You must have spend a lot of money， 花很多錢就是花
懂多錢，
懂多錢，懂多就很多很多的錢了。
那海陸腔的應該，應該。
Okay, that's a different dialect for you must have. Okay, 应该的意思。好，真的有空我们要互相约到对方的家，然后看能不能会讲到，哦呀，懂讲啊那样子。
OK 啦，
应该会啦，你家应该很漂亮。
看你就知道，应该很漂亮。
Let's review some of these terms, alright? 你们家 your house.
nhà不卡
nhà不卡 and then your interior 新装潢。
新裝潢
新裝潢 that's new interior. And then 應該 you must have must.
應該
然後很多錢好了，怎麼說？
懂多錢
that means a lot of money. And it's all about being so pretty. Your house is so beautiful. 好漂亮。
東江
And that does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家
按自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.